What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
What's my what?
What
Cell
happened to What happened to your phone? What's wrong with your phone?
Oh, I had it in my pocket. It doesn't work no more. That's about
What's
it.
wrong?
As far as I know.
You can't see it, you said?
I just can't see the light.
Why?
It's not bright enough.
What happened? You put it in your pocket?
I put it in my pocket and it's not bright enough.
It's not bright
So I
enough?
can see.
Okay, look, I'm gonna show you. So you open this, you slide it down like that. Okay, from top. Like this. You see there's a settings right here. And you put this all the way up.
Oh,
Look at that.
shit. No, that's that light doing that. It's that light doing that.
Yes! It's not the light doing it. I did it.
How the hell you did that?
I did a magic.
How much are you? What?
It's on me, man. It's okay. Good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
How you do that shit? I just happened to went like yesterday. I don't know.
Yeah, that's okay. Now you know.
I live around here. You know what I mean?
Alright, that's no problem. You happy now?
Yeah, happy.
It's worth it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
A couple bucks.
That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. It's not a big deal. It's not a
Okay.
big deal.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
All right, thank you.
Alright, you too.
I appreciate it.
No problem.